rains never stopped last night, and we have no salt for our eggs. Soon we should be mad and kill one another, but for now, the truth holds. We're all discussing what a bad campsite this is. It's this delightful family bonding.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is this? What madness? What magic? It's water.
Funny is if I started recording you guys and seeing how long it took you to realize I was recording and give up and walk away, that's what would be really funny. Don't you think so? Okay, Hood River. It worked. Remember, we also hit Troutdale, but I took the pictures. What did we find, Rachel?
Cookie dough ice cream.
I got peach. Pretty happy with my peach.
Gluten-free cookie dough ice cream.
Ever important. Just need a Rachel.
I think we're leaving it in pretty good shape.
Dad's tire has just become comically flat. We don't know what happened, but I'm going home with Carolyn to make sure I don't miss my train.